he gave the jurors the agreement that it's a gang. He said YSL is a gang, and he know people in this on this trial who committed crimes in furtherance of the gang. You don't know nobody on this case. Yeah. That's a lie. That's a full-blown lie. I know individuals on this case that committed crimes in furtherance of the gang. That's RICO. So if a get found guilty on RICO, you really just you got a light to it. And you are 100% lie. You don't know nobody on the case. I ain't ever committed no crime. Duke ain't committed no crime. Yak ain't committed no crime. Them the only 3 people you know on this case. Ain't now one of them committed no crime. So who the f*** you talking about? You know YSL members on this case that committed crimes in furtherance of the gang. You just made it a motherfucking RICO case. You just made it a case.